Hello, I am Tori the Dragon. Welcome to the Cosplay Cafe, and today we are going to be making some owl rice cakes. And for this recipe, all you need is a package of rice cakes, some Cheerios, any kind that you like is fine, and then you need some peanut butter, 1 carrot, 1 apple, a banana, and some blueberries. So we're going to start off by getting some of our rice cakes. And you're going to spread some peanut butter on top of them. Alright, and we are going to cut our apple. So you want to go in half first. I'm going to do it in half again. And you want to be very careful when you're cutting out the core. And you're going to want to cut all of these in half one more time. Alright, so these apples are going to be the little wings. Then you're going to want to cut up a carrot. You don't need much carrot for this, you just need to cut it to a little triangle. So I cut it in half again, and they are going to be the little beaks. And then we're going to cut up our banana. Don't need much banana either. Alright, and then you are going to get some blueberries for the eyes. And you can use a little bit more peanut butter to kind of act as like a glue to keep the blueberries on the eye. And last but not least, we're going to put some Cheerios on to act as kind of like chest feathers. Just going to place them down. Alright, and we are done. Itadakimasu.
Thank you. These look like porgs. Keep them away from Chewy. Mmm. That is delicious. Mmm. This is the best snacks in the galaxy. Thank you. Chewy? Yeah. Delicious.